Energy efficiency is no longer just a buzzword. It's a necessity for homeowners in Scottsdale looking to reduce utility bills, lower environmental impact, and improve year-round comfort. With the area's hot, arid climate, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models. Why windows matter in energy efficiency. Windows are responsible for a significant portion of a home's heat gain and loss. In Scottsdale, where summer temperatures can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, inefficient windows can make your air conditioner work harder, driving up energy costs. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient designs helps minimize heat transfer, keeping cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter. This not only improves comfort but also reduces strain on your HVAC system. Modern window technologies for Scottsdale homes. Today's window replacements are built with advanced features that directly contribute to energy efficiency. Low-E glass coatings reflect heat while letting in natural light, helping regulate indoor temperatures. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas fills reduce heat transfer. Thermally improved frames. Materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames minimize temperature conduction compared to older aluminum frames. UV protection blocks harmful rays that can fade furniture and flooring while reducing indoor heat buildup. By selecting windows with the right combination of these features, Scottsdale homeowners can see a noticeable drop in monthly energy bills. Tailoring window choices to Scottsdale's climate. Not all energy-efficient windows are created equal, and the best choices for Scottsdale homes consider the region's specific climate conditions. South and west-facing windows benefit from high-performance low-E glass to combat direct sun exposure, while north-facing windows can be optimized for natural light without significant heat gain. Professional installers can recommend frame materials and glass types that perform best in desert heat while still matching your home's design. Financial benefits of energy-efficient window replacement. While window replacement is an investment, it offers multiple long-term savings opportunities. Lower utility bills. Reduced HVAC use translates to immediate monthly savings. Increased property value. Buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient upgrades when shopping for homes in Scottsdale. Possible rebates and incentives. Many utility companies and local programs offer rebates for installing Energy Star-rated windows. These financial incentives, combined with the comfort and efficiency gains, make window replacement a smart upgrade choice. Integrating window replacement into whole home efficiency plans. Energy efficiency works best when approached as part of a comprehensive plan. Window replacement can be paired with improvements like upgraded insulation, weather stripping, and smart thermostats for maximum results. By addressing windows first, you seal one of the largest points of energy loss, making other efficiency upgrades more effective. Final thought. In Scottsdale's climate, where energy demands are high and comfort is a top priority, window replacement plays a pivotal role in creating an energy-efficient home. Modern windows reduce energy waste, improve indoor comfort, and protect against the harsh desert sun, all while enhancing your home's curb appeal. If you're considering energy-efficient home upgrades, Investing in high-quality window replacements is a smart first step that will pay dividends in both comfort and cost savings for years to come.